Welcome back. Today we're going to be looking to using Bidmas with algebra. So you guys are already experts on how to use algebra, but let's just have a little review. Bidmas basically means the B stands for bracket, I stands for indices. When I talk about indices, indices is basically numbers kind of like 3 squared, 2 squared, 4 cubed, right? It's where I have a base of 3 and an index or power of 2, 3, 4, whatever. Okay. Then D represents division, M represents multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. Now, because we're going through a little recap, Bidmas is basically a checklist that we use. Okay, so we're going to go with B means brackets, so I have to do brackets first if I see it in a question. If in that same question there is an indice, I'll do that second, right after I've finished the brackets. Then my third step will be if I see a division or a multiplication sign. Okay, we can do that together if they have both. Okay, and then lucky last step is doing the addition and subtraction last. All right, so that's Bidmas. Let's do our first question. Okay, 5b plus bracket 2 times 3b. Now, do I have a bracket? Yes, I do. So I'm going to do that first. What's inside the bracket is 2 times 3b. That's a multiplication. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve it. 2 times 3b should equal me to 6b. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to move this 5b from the question to where my answer is and write down plus 6b. 5b plus 6b, we can only add terms when they are liked. Are they liked? Yes, they are. Same letter and same invisible power of 1. Okay, once I've done that, 5b plus 6b should equal to 11b. And that's my first question. Let's go to our second question. 10b minus 2 times 2b. Okay, do I have brackets? No, I don't. Do I have an indice? No, I don't. Do I have a division sign? No. Multiplication? Yes. My multiplication is here. Now, just like what we learned in collecting like terms with adding and subtracting terms, I don't only collect my numbers and letters, but I collect the sign in front of it. So I'm just going to circle it so that it makes it easy for me. And I'm going to multiply these two numbers together. Okay. So negative 2 times 2b should get me to negative 4b. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer 10b to the other side and write down 10b minus 4b. Subtracting terms needs to be liked. Are they liked? Yes, they are. So 10b minus 4b should equal me to 6b. Let's go to question number 3. Negative 3b times negative 2b minus 3b. All right, do I have any brackets? No. Indices? No. Division? No. Multiplication? Yes. I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to circle my number, letter, and the sign or the operation in front of it. Just like this. And I'm going to multiply these two terms together. Negative 3b times negative 2b. Okay, let's do the numbers first. 3 times 2 equals 2. 6. Then I have a negative number and a negative number, and they're multiplied together. Are the signs the same? Yes. If they're the exact same, my answer needs to be positive. Then what's b times b? B times b, you guys should know, is b squared. Now let's write it down. 6b squared minus 3b. Are they like terms? Well, they have the same letter, but they don't have the same power. One is a 2, and the other is a invisible 1. So I'll leave it like that. Okay. My last question is bracket 3b minus b times 5b. Do I have a bracket? Yes, I do. So let's solve that first. Inside is 3b minus b. This b here has an invisible 1. So I'm just going to fill it out just to make it easier for me. 3b minus 1b should be 2b. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down 2b times 5b. Okay, let's do it. What's 2 times 5? That's 10. What is b times b? B squared. So my answer is 10b squared. That's the 4 examples to help you to finish off your questions. Hope this helps. See you soon. Bye.